right, we're here at Francisco. This is the final vid. Aaron, what do you think? Beautiful
I think it
so
looks
far, right?
awesome, unrecognizable.
Absolutely crazy. The beauty of this project is I actually partnered with a subcontractor. David is not here today because he's in like Palm Coast, which is actually where you're from.
Yep.
But he's doing a job down there, so he couldn't make it. But we're here to show you the final Francisco video, so stay tuned. We just took a sneak peek at what the guys did. The beauty of this project is the fact of the partnership, right? I mean,
Right, we
how
didn't
many
even have
times
to
did
be here.
we didn't have to be here. We only came to film videos. And so, David, kudos, took care of it. Let's check it out. All right, so what do we have?
White quartz for the countertops,
Yes.
beautiful. And then the white shaker cabinets, just like we talked about.
Yep. And we did matte black fixtures and finishes across the whole house.
So Heather, our staging lady, crushed it. It looks beautiful in here.
Go
It's
to
awesome
Heather.
because when people come and tour the place, they can see themselves living here. So cozy.
You can see us living here. Huh?
Let's move
I
in.
promise I'll take care of it. All right.
Wow, this came out really great.
You like that
This looks
tile on
really
the
nice.
floor?
Yes, yeah, the black tile is beautiful.
Like you would put that in our house, right?
Yeah, I probably will.
Nice. When we build our new house together, or remodel one. You like this tile too, here?
Yeah, I think I picked it, didn't I?
I think you did, yeah, flashback. You gotta come up with a bathroom plan on the
All right.
spot.
Demo.
Yeah, so we're gonna demo all that.
Demo.
Yeah.
White subway tile, obviously.
Well, hold on, no, actually we're gonna do, remember like my bathroom, my condo, we're gonna do like that really nice 12 by 24 porcelain stuff?
No, this one.
Really? What are we gonna
this
do?
one. Subway time.
Oh, she's right. Okay. We did the matte black hardware, but we also made sure to include the hinges, you know, to make sure everything's copacetic. We got a whole new bathroom here, squeaky door.
Squeak included.
Hopefully the new buyers don't mind. You like the tile that I chose?
Oh, I love it.
It's awesome. This is like this white Carrara. It's not actually marble, I believe it's porcelain. And then they did, of course, matte black. But then this pebble tile is great. They did this in the master as well, which we're going to get to. You know, we do the Agreeable Gray by Sherwin-Williams.
Right.
Every single flip. And this gray floor works nicely.
Why do you pick colors like gray and white and stuff like that when
Yeah.
you're flipping a house?
Good question. And it's neutrals. Could be going out of style.
Right.
Because
What I'm thinking
gray
too
has been
is
done a lot.
anybody can picture themselves living here, no matter what their
Exactly.
furniture looks like, no matter what their style looks like.
It's
They
true.
can all picture their stuff and their life in this house.
It's true. It's pretty neutral,
Yeah.
functional.
Right.
Yeah.
Did we add a bedroom?
It was a den. This was like a whole, pretty much like an extra room. And we added this bathroom. Of course, got plumbing permits and everything. David was like in here before in the first video, like there's like this long thing with this HVAC, but we made that accessible from the other side. So, you know, it's pretty simple, but it's just like what goes into it is a lot of work. This is the laundry room. Got our 220 for that.
Dryer?
Dryer, nice.
Nice.
CEO in training. And then this, you know, little water heater and air handler room. Very, very exciting stuff.
We have this beautiful little sunroom here. It wasn't really being used for anything before, but now you can access the pool.
So all this concrete was poured fresh. You like how it turned out?
Yeah, it looks really great.
It does. I mean, we were like decided. Remember we pulled that, David and I pulled that like plant out right
Yep.
here. I was gonna take it home, but it was a joke. So like, we actually poured this whole thing. I don't know why he did that. I think just to like someone can add a shed later. For any fence around the whole property. There's a golf course right over here, which is super exciting. It's like a country club, which is why we were able to get, it's not the only reason, but it's just like the nice area of why we were able to get so much on the ARV after repair value. There's a fake TV. Of course, in Huntsford, the Airbnb property, real TV, because
Real TV.
Airbnb, but this is completely fake.
If you buy this house, you gotta bring your own TV.
You gotta bring your own TV,
Yeah.
TV not included, or batteries, and there's no batteries included in this house.
So what did the final numbers end up being?
Yeah, so we bought it for $170,000, right? And then we were gonna put like 100 grand into it, whatever it was, a little less. But then we put like 140 into it because we really wanted to get it done right. So 170 plus 140 is 310. So we sold it for 389,900. So this is saying about 79, but there's gonna, closing costs, and you gotta do a couple things like that. A little bit of lender's fees, but I think lender's fees were in there. So just call it $75,000 roughly of what we made on this project.
Nice.
So it was really cool. Like as we were dating, obviously you know that we're engaged now. If you watched our engagement story, but you got to see this project from start to finish. Right?
Yeah, it was really exciting.
Yeah.
I'd seen bits and pieces of some of your other ones, but really seeing it from start to completion, it's really amazing.
Super cool. So you're gonna like take on more of a role
Yeah.
in Jane Lane Properties.
Right, exactly.
Now it's exciting.
Yeah,
So
super exciting.
You're like learning how to like rehab deals, find deals first, analyze them first, and then rehab them, and then close them.
Right.
Learn how to work with title companies. So I'm kind of like walking Erin through the whole process of flipping a house or just doing real estate in general. She's seeing the Airbnb stuff, she's seeing the rental stuff, and she's seeing the flip stuff.
Right.
Yeah,
and I'm really analytical, so hopefully I can help a little bit to streamline the process and make it even easier than it already is.
Click the dislike button, unsubscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. If you didn't like it, but if you did like it, then do the complete opposite.